Welcome back to the End Content Co YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into a new build featuring the Gigabyte A520i AC Mini ITX motherboard, an AMD Ryzen 5 CPU, Team Group T-Force Vulkan Z RAM, and a crucial P3 Plus 1TB SSD. This will be part 1 of this build. Let's get started. First up, let's unbox the Gigabyte A520i AC motherboard. Priced at $120, this mini ITX board is compact yet packed with features. As we take it out of the box, you'll see the board itself, which is designed for AMD's AM4 socket, SATA cables, and a Wi-Fi antenna. The layout is neat, with plenty of connectivity options for a small form factor. The build quality is impressive, with solid capacitors and heat sinks to keep everything running smoothly. Now, let's move on to the installation of our AMD Ryzen 5 CPU. Be sure to handle the CPU carefully, aligning the notches with the socket. Once it's in place, we'll secure it down with the lever. Now, let's install the crucial P3 Plus 1TB SSD, which is a great value at $60. This NVMe drive will ensure fast load times and quick file transfers. We'll locate the M2 slot on the motherboard, insert the SSD at an angle, and secure it with a screw. Easy peasy. Next, we'll attach the CPU cooler. A good cooler is crucial for keeping temperatures in check, especially if you plan to push your system. Just align it, screw it in, and we're good to go. Time to add some memory. We're using the Team Group T-Force Vulkan Z 16GB kit, priced at just $32.99. This RAM is DDR4 3200, which will provide excellent performance. To install, simply open the slots and firmly press down until they click into place. Make sure they're seated properly. We've successfully unboxed and assembled our Gigabyte A520 motherboard, AMD Ryzen 5 CPU, Team Group RAM, and crucial SSD. This build promises solid performance for gaming and productivity tasks alike. If you enjoyed this video or have questions about the build process, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.